welcome to February's giveaway. I want to welcome all my new subscribers to my little YouTube family. Pull up a chair and let's get on with what I've got to give away this month. So, I've got 4 skeins of this bamboo yarn. There's a free crochet bookmark pattern on the label. It is 50% bamboo viscose and 50% cotton. 2.5mm knitting needles and crochet hook. The approximate weight is 50 grams, 110mm. Hand wash, do not iron, and dry flat. And you've got 200 grams, which is 440 meters. But this would be ideal for your amigurumi. It would. You get a set of 3 wooden crochet hooks, and they're 4mm, 5mm and 6mm. They all come in this nice organza bag. So let's put them in the organza bag so they don't get lost. And you also get some stitch markers. Let me just put this in here so I don't lose it. So you get a little bag of stitch markers, and these stitch markers are called the light bulb ones. So let me just hold it up. So as you can see, it's light bulb. And then you get a stitch marker that I've made, and this one's got a little blue gem on. Let me just, if I can get it out. Come on. Oh, it's not coming out. There we go. So you get that, which is made by me. Little stitch marker. You don't want them too heavy, otherwise they'll drag on your work, really, don't you? Because I was thinking of that. So anyway, so that's that. So that's in the bag. Now, to enter this giveaway, you must be 18 years and over. I'm sorry, but that is the rules. It starts today, the 2nd of February at 6 AM GMT. It closes at midnight on Saturday, the 20th of February. And the winner will be announced at 6 AM GMT, the 23rd of February. Now, what do you need to do? What I would like for you to do is to be a subscriber of my channel. Like this video, share if you can. It's not important, but if you can, that would be good. It is open worldwide, but void where prohibited, and I'm not responsible. Once I send out your parcel, your winning parcel, once it leaves me, I'm not responsible for any taxes or duties at your end. You have up to 10 days to contact me. If I've not heard anything from the winner in 10 days, then they will forfeit the right to the winnings, and I will pick a new winner from the comments from January's from February's giveaway. It's sponsored by me, and YouTube has no affiliation with it. And I think that's about all. I will link it underneath, all the rules. And so the question, with it being February, Valentine's, and it's Rick my 23rd wedding anniversary this month. So I want the answer to this question, and it's all about February. So if you know the ditty, you will get this really easily. If not, just Google it. So how many days are there in February on a leap year? How many days in February are there for a leap year. Good luck everybody, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and once again, thank you all so much for subscribing and becoming part of my family, my YouTube family anyway. Love you all to bits, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to yourself. See you all again real soon. Bye for now.